morning guys, welcome back. Still sleeping. Welcome back to another video. Okay, update. What update? There's no update. There are a lot of updates. So many Hawaii movies and Razmas have grown now. And stray dogs. Stray dogs problem, guys. We are having stray dogs problem. Dogs are roaming around in the streets with no owner, sniffing their backs. What the heck is going on? Few dogs ran across the garden and mom was very pissed off. So I will have to do something about this stray dogs. Now I need to apply the parachute coconut hair oil. Coconut hair oil, my head. Okay, otherwise James will go bald very soon. He will become James Sims very soon. What? Ui, too much. Massage, guys, massage. How do they do it? I'll have to do that like every day for the rest of my life. Guys, new hanger. Yay! These are from Amazon, made by Amazon Basics. Now all are replaced with same color, straight. Guys, see, so organized. Wow, very nice, just like a wife. Oh, tongue cleaner, guys, made of gold. Guys, anyone a fan of cars? He's got everyone. This is my favorite. I don't know his name, but his uncle. Oh, another package received. Look, miso. Miso?
Very nice.
Yeah, this is nice. How much? How many?
200.
What? 200? I want 1, 2. 200 is good. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, fruits. 1 small apple, 1 big apple, pair of oranges. Okay. You like it also?
Yes.
Guys. Suraj ordered pair of jeans. I want to try it out. I want to try. Look guys, it is parallel. He said if I wear this, I'll look like what? Perek. Nail.
Look like Perek. Perek Toitsi.
Perek means nail. Let's see if I look like a nail or will I nail it. Just. Let's give it a try, guys. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Twerking. Now we'll pair this with a loose fit t-shirt, oversized. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Alright, so this is how I look. Check this out, guys. Yo, can you beat me, yo? Check this out, yo. Now we'll see the reaction of Suraj. What does he say about it? Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo. Baggy. What?
Wait, stay there. I'll take a picture of you. Just don't move. Don't move.
It's like, don't move, yo.
Come and see. Come.
No, I can see there.
No, come here. I'll
In
show you
the
how
mid-
people see. Show this hair on it.
You're clicking the picture in the wrong way. He's trying to make me look short, guys.
No, look here.
Intentionally.
No. What is this?
The angle. I think I look good.
Okay. People who like you might say that you look good.
Really?
Because they don't want to upset you.
No, people will be honest.
I don't think so. It's too long for you.
You can get a bit smaller also.
No. Or you need to be a little bit taller.
Done.
You look funny.
Okay, guys, you comment down. I will decide after you decide.
Comemos hoy.
Now Suraj is wearing the same, guys. Does he look like Perek as well? See, he has also short legs. Suraj the Perek boy. Can you twerk? You. Very noob. Jay, can you twerk? Noob boys, guys.
No bum to twerk.
They don't have bum, guys. Flat ass. Wow, the sun is so
Sunning.
sunning. The sun is sunning hot.
You guys done packing?
What packing?
Did you guys pick what to take?
No. Have you?
Decide. One for Taj Mahal, one for dinner. Dinner specific
Why?
outfit
Why?
for Thailand.
Dinner
If they're
specific.
planning something, we're going out for dinner. So we need appropriate outfit.
Like what type of
Anything that is
fine
smart.
dining?
Not actually fine dining, but
Then
still.
we can wear anything. Good boy. we are
You never know.
we are no rich people. We dining outside. Fine dining outside. We put chair.
Winter sun.
No, there was one proverb. I forgot about winter.
I forgot about
The
it.
fear of water is the beginning of winter.
The fear of water is the beginning of winter. Guys, always remember this proverb. It always works. He is rich.
What do you mean by he's rich?
He is rich in our family, and the entire family is poor. He is only rich in one place. Jay is secretly a millionaire, but no one knows because it is secret. I am the poorest person in the family. Sad life. I'm asking for sponsors. No one is sponsoring. Hey, huh? Guys, Jay ordered tongue cleaner. After we use this for about a year, we'll make this into yongchak. What do we call that? Yongchak.
You.
We'll have to sharpen this first.
Don't be gross.
No, we'll have to sharpen this.
Don't
and
apply
then
your gross nature in the family.
and then we'll remove yongchak skin with that, like this.
You can stay outside with that one. Keep scraping your whole life.
Yay!
You brother.
He is now showing off, guys.
I'm not showing off. I was actually
His
changing.
body,
I have to work.
which he don't have.
I don't know what to take. What to take.
I haven't decided what to wear. Also, on my way to. Since we're going to stay in Delhi for a few days, so we need to pack winter clothes as well. I don't know what to pack here, guys. Seriously, I don't even have much clothes. I have worn all of this in my vlogs, except for this one because this one was the latest I bought, and I think I'll wear this one. And I don't think one will be enough for Delhi also, so I'll need to pack at least two. This one, very long ago. I still have it, guys. Once upon a time. This also once upon a time Nepal trip. And this one from Delhi long ago, thanks to Vicky. This one also very old. This is like once upon a time. So I don't have much. That's all I have, guys. And these are all the shirts I have. And this one gifted to me by someone very special. Wow, thank you. This one I bought it long ago, 2012. Yeah, it was like 2012, like 14 years old belt, guys. Damn. So it started to rust here a little bit. And this one is new, like 3 years ago. Anyways, this is all I have, so I need to choose wisely. Going down. What is going? What is going on alone?
Come.
Without even inviting me.
Jay's bed is coming today.
Really?
Send him the location, bro.
Jay bed.
You delay your loss.
Jay is going to get a bed now.
Food first.
Yes.
Good for you.
Oh, this one is good for me. Which one is no spoon?
Stop picking the big ones just because you see it big does not mean it's the tastiest.
No, it's not big. It's
He saw
easy
the
to
biggest
peel like
one and
this.
It's like, okay, this is mine.
Ah,
It's sponge inside, bro.
I'm sorry.
Too good to be true.
Ah, what type of sugar cane is this? Sponge.
What is sponge? Sponge.
Sponge material. They will finally sleep on bed now. Haha.
Jay bed will be the newest. Yours is already old bed.
Guys, give me new ones. I have faith in you guys. Someday your heart will change and you'll give me so many things which I can't even handle. Guys, check this out. Hey, rich kid of our family. See, I told you he's secretly a millionaire.
Which one should I take? Or
Secret millionaire, guys. Air Force and Star Wars. I don't even know the name. This is Air Force. That's all I know. This is Star Wars shoes, guys. Wow. That's dotted Star Wars. I think this is very expensive. Guys, you know, in the comment section, let me know how much is the price of that shoes, because I am noob.
Which one?
Both. Yeah, wear them like that. Yeah, see? Flexing, guys. Wearing two different shoes. Flex.
Look at the sound. Look at the sound. Look at the sound.
Hear the sound, guys. Oh, the sound of money. Me no have. Me
I think
poor
this,
people.
This no longer fits me.
Give me.
You can buy. You can buy.
No longer fits means mine.
It's brand new. You can buy. Yeah.
Ah. They are not that bad for me. Don't fit. Please don't fit. Don't fit, yeah, please. I think it's not fitting. I think it's not fitting. It's too tight. It will tear. Remove.
Let me try. It's not bad.
I think I'll look good in that one.
Go away.
Okay.
Loose. His toes are rich here.
My toes are also not rich. They are also poor.
you look like villager grandma. It doesn't suit you at all.
It's because of this.
Pencil fit. Bro.
Check this out, guys. I borrowed this pen from Jay.
Which belong to me.
And I got these shoes from the rich guy. And this also from guys. They saved me. Now they'll charge me money. Guys, my QR code. Send me money. I need to pay them.
Look at his
options.
colors. Green, green,
Wait.
green,
Green.
green,
Green.
green, green.
This is also shade of green.
Yes.
Everything is same. Even everything.
You
Where's
ordered
that
one. That was also green.
That was green.
We returned it, yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Yep,
That's good.
yep.
Wind cheater.
Yeah, looks good.
You want green again? Not everyone. Black. Mom going to working, guys. Me also.
Mom and dad.
Mom and dad going for working. I also want to go. I want to show you guys what's going on, but it's about to get dark, so we'll have to try fatapat. Okay. Guys, if you have not subscribed, guys, please subscribe, guys, and hit the like button. If you want to see Thailand, lady boy, Thailand. Someone will be very happy. He will see his friends, lady boy. Let's go. Yay, guys, we'll have this Melchizedek biscuit. This is one of my favorite biscuits, Melchizedek, because there is cheese inside. Yay! Oh boy, I thought of going out for a walk. It's exactly 5 and it's already getting dark. See? In the camera it looks bright, but in actual life it's not that bright. So you can see by the grains around me. It's all grainy. Yeah, you can see in the wide angle better. See? So this is the actual footage. So grainy. So okay, so wow, look at that side. Very nice. Yeah, and so instead of that, we'll wait for the bed of Jay, and then after that we'll assemble the bed. And let's see how the bed is. So stay tuned. It's not over yet, guys. The vlog is not over yet. Okay, Jay's bed is here. I think it can turn. They can turn. I don't know, by hook or by crook they'll do it. That's the truck, guys. Jay is gonna get bed. It's already 5:44. I'm sorry for the late upload of this vlog. Okie dokie. That's exactly what I thought. It will come reverse. Aajao. Guys, this is so heavy. We decided to leave it here. We'll unbox it outside and then
YouTube में जाएगा ये
check it. हाँ, YouTube में जाएगा.
चैनल का नाम क्या है आपका?
My dream life.
भैया कर लीजिए.
हाँ ले लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ब्लॉग बताएंगे.
Thank you so much डिलीवरी के लिए.
रात को आगे
रात को आए डिलीवर कराने के लिए. Thank you.
बस आपको भी ले लेंगे.
आपको भी thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Bea, thank you. Jay will need to fix that one tomorrow morning. It's all because of Jay's bed. Wow, super duper heavy box. 5 people were not able to lift this thing and keep it inside, so it's that heavy. Okay. Jay is super excited.
This wood is different.
सबको लगता है अपनी वाली अलग है. Okay, so this is the head. Guys, accident happening.
Hey, you did it. What is your accident?
Oh, accident. So this is out now. So we have transferred everything here. It's super freaking heavy. 300 kilo is not light, guys. 300 kg. So Jay started to mop the floor, so his bed will be here in the same place. So now we'll have to assemble it. I'll make a time lapse and then yeah, let's go. Test drive. So the time lapse could not be completed because this piece did not fit. We need to fit it. Jay went down to fit it. Now I'll show you once it's done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's. What will we do with this now? Sad life. I think you should use and then try once if it moves. Sun raha hai. Oi. Use that one. Put the mattress back. Oi. Put the mattress back.